Here showcasing the 180 awning connector piece. First, you need to get your two 180s aligned, and then you can slip in this fabric connector piece into the C channels of each awning. This is also available for trailers as well. It's good so you can have a 360 awning system and have more coverage on your rear side. So there are two panels that also come with the 180 connector. That is the wall and the roof panel as well. It can block any sun or elements that want to come into your campsite. This 180 awning connector allows you to have a 360 system, but it doesn't have that zipper piece on the front and rear sides, so you can have that roof panel and wall panel. And it has these grommets that you're able to feed in a guideline and then stake it down, so you can have full 360 coverage. If you want to learn more, overlandvehiclesystems.com.